What's up, everyone? We're about to go full. Fresh case on 2. This is 37. Where's that picket?
Put it.
Kill? Let Jared kill this. Get the picket, please. All right, let's just do this first. Because it's right there. I want to get it out of the way. It's right there. The full case is next. Don't worry. Full case is next, guys. We're doing it next. Maggio took the 49ers in the store. All right. All right. The Steelers. You want them or no? Jared, if you want them at 325, they're yours on a kill. Just because it's a kill, you can get 25 bucks off. If not, I'm going to start opening. I'm going to open either way. Okay. All right, send it. All right, you're sending. This starts the fresh case. This is just incredible that we're doing this. This is so cool. All right, Jared, you're good. You're paid. All right. Thank you, Jared. All right, here's the link, guys. It's very simple. There's 7 left. The next break is right in front of you. It's a full factory sealed case of Prizm first off the line. It's down to 7. We're going right into it next. We don't stop here. We just move, move, and move. Pack by pack. Oh, no. Oh, you got them? Okay. All right, here we go. Good luck, all. Jared, Maggio, good luck, all. Here we go. Auto pack 1. Bruce Smith. The shimmer. It is. It's Josh Pascal for the Lions. We move. It's good to see you, Baker Hunter. Malik Rodriguez. Sauce. We'll try, Jared. We'll try. Blue shimmer. We'll try. It's Sutton for Denver. Ruby. Wilson. The Broncos are destroying it early. And that is, the Broncos are good. Yes, I do. I'm going to. Yep, we have an auto. Lynch. Petrie to 149 for the for Tennessee. Or, I'm sorry, for the Texans. Ruby blue. Jonathan Allen, Commanders. There's a picket. Red shimmer coming. Red shimmer is coming. It's Khalil Mack for the Chargers. Jameson Williams for the Lions. Wilson. Quay Walker, that's a rookie for the Packers. Red shimmer. Zappy. Rookie red shimmer. It's the right. Oh, this should be 100% good. And it's not. It's the one. It's Pascal. I thought it was Williams or Aiden. It's not. Cantu, we're full. You're on a delay. Press live. Tell Cantu to press live. Wyatt. Famous Jameis for the Saints. How much he said?
You know, Cantu, when you hop in the
Look,
chat, it
look,
just...
look, look. Look.
I see.
Gold shimmer. Huh. Huh. It's Olave. Be a rookie. Oh, we have a real sweat.
Yeah.
We have a real... One time be him. One time be him. One time be him. I'm going to sweat this time.
Okay.
Look at that. Oh. It was a buck. It was a buck. Devin White to 10 for Luke B. Oh.
I don't know what that word means, Efro.
And it's a disaster.
And
How are you? Efro's such a quick typer.
yeah, he is.
He's like, because he's so, he's a games guy. Metcalf, that's the #1 receiver in Seattle. Here we go. Box 2. The full case 10 is next. Full case 10. It's Torrey Holt to 25. Camo for the Rams. Kirky. Olave. Dick Butkus, legend for the Bears. Green Shimmer to 5. Be good. Be good. Let's go. Be good. Lance, are you going to do it for us? It's not a rookie. It's a Raven. Is it him? It's not him. It's not good. It's Raekwon Smith. Ravens. Spencer, you'll take it. You will take it for the $29 Ravens for sure. This stuff is so good. Dotson Silver. Mathis Scope. Wilson. It's crazy how good they made FOTL. Wes Walker for the Patriots. It really is insane how good it is. We have an auto. Elliott. It's a shimmer auto to 25.
We need a banger.
It's legend Jim Kelly for Buffalo. Blake. Blake, karma does exist. Blake, that's for paying your dues with the Knox earlier. Nice hit, Blake. Go Dart. London. Nice hit, Blake. I see purple. I see purple. It's Elam for the Bills. Another gold shimmer. Look at Erica's eyes when we hit a gold shimmer. Her eyes just light up. And it's a rookie. It's a rookie. It's gold. It's
My
a
eyes
shimmer.
are gold after that.
And it's another Raven. It's not even, we can't hit gold today. Likely? Congratulations to Spencer on hitting the world with Baltimore. Prizm's great because the cheap teams hit a lot. Purdy rookie silver! Wow, Maggio gets saved. Wow, that came out of nowhere.
What's your favorite candy?
St. Brown. Candy?
Yeah.
Blue. Let me think about it.
That it requires.
Mahomes throwback silver. And a blue. I'm glad we didn't sweat it. It was Hayward for Steelers. What's my favorite candy? Honestly, I don't really have. If I had to pick one for default,
Yeah, I guess.
red shimmer of green art for the candy.
Yeah.
Like Gushers is not a candy.
No, Gushers is more of like a.
It's a snack.
Yeah.
Candy.
Gushers is in like the fruit snacks category.
Honestly, I'm not a candy guy really, but you know what I would pick?
What?
I would pick the they're not even my favorite, but like the sour peaches or the watermelons.
Okay.
But I mean, I wouldn't.
Back or not? No, I think he likes desserts, just not like candy.
Boselli. Michael Vick. All right, we're going into a full case. Stop with these 2 boxes. Aiden.
The big cups.
All right, recap. Honestly, candy. You know what? I might go with Reese's. Is good. Reese's is up there.
I like chocolate covered gummy bears.
Those are. Yeah.
Do you think that's gross?
I don't know. I mean, I don't really have a.
I just.
My favorite snack is definitely Gushers. That I could say. Gushers is a clear number 1.
No way. Blue Thunder, what's the account? I need to look at it now.
You're a big candy person?
Huge.
Huh?
Huge. Like those bulk candy stores where you just scoop them into the bags and then you spend like $100 on a little bag of candy are my favorite places in the world.
Really?
Yeah.
I want you to go over there, and I want you to find me a good case of Prizm for social.
Okay.
All right? I need you to pick a good
I
one.
will.
This is like your moment here.
My moment.